Say what we said last time. I grew up on a farm kid, and we had junk for equipment. We were always fixing something. And I was getting tired of fixing things, and I always decided at a young age that I can do a better job than whoever designed this. I can make it think so things don't break so much. And I decided, I'm getting tired of turning wrenches. I don't like to get my hands dirty unless I want to. And I decided, the better choice for me is to go into the design side of it. I still get to build and tinker and create things and make things better in a virtual world on paper, and then I get to take them out in the shop and watch some guy make them. And it's kind of fun because then you start with an idea and then you get to see a product at the end. That's kind of what drives me a little bit more than anything, and it's a fun way to do it.
Oh, good. Well, I took a little bit different road to where I got to today. I did not grow up on a farm, so if you did, there's still hope if you want to be an engineer. But I was in your guys' shoes not too long ago. I graduated from Rotary in 2008, and then I went to St. Cloud State for mechanical and manufacturing engineering. I just graduated this past spring. I've only been here for 6 months. I started in June. And really some of the things that drove me to engineering when I was in your guys' shoes trying to decide what I wanted to do when I graduated. I like problem solving, as Mike said. I like the math, I like the physics. And I wanted a variety in my job. And engineering is a career that has really given me that. What I've seen in the past 6 months is from one day to the next, I'm really never doing the same thing. I'm all in the shop, helping some of the assemblers, giving them direction on how we designed it, how they should assemble it, or doing some inventor work. So it's really a career that the opportunities are endless and you're always doing something different. So them are some of the key points why I chose engineering.
So Inventor is the tool that you guys use to create your visions and your designs, but talk to us a little bit about communication. As an engineer, what role does communication play in the success of your job?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I mean, this is a big part of our job. We have to come up with the design, and as your teacher was commenting on, there's the steps you have to take to get to a finalized design. But that's just the start of it. Once you have your design, now you got to produce it, and it's got to work. And there's always things that come up, and people are coming up to you saying this part didn't work or that part didn't work. So you got to be a good communicator, because Mike and I worked together a lot, and we came up with this design, but that's just us two working on this. Now when we fold this out to the rest of the company, we're going to be getting questions from all different departments, the shop guys, and if we can't communicate with them and only with each other, our design is really worthless. We got to be able to portray that to the rest of the company and get them on board. So communication is key in engineering.
So what